Hey everybody, it's Jared here at Big Pine Sports. You're looking at a 2021 CFMOTO ZFORCE 800. We've just installed the Ryco turn signal kit on it, part number 5101. Wanted to do a walk around and show you a little bit about how the kit works. With the Ryco kit, anywhere you can drill a 3/4 inch round hole, you can drill these front turn signals. This is a great place we've selected to put them on this machine. It looks really good from the front. You've got great visibility, and from the side, you do have daytime running lights with these turn signal lights. You can override that feature if you would like. Not had anybody do it, but you can. And you're familiar with the stock, just like in your car. Down will be left. You do have integrated turn signals up on the dash. Absolutely love this feature with the Ryco kit. You can see it functioning there just like it does in your car up on the dash. Around the front driver, you can see those turn signals flashing. And around the back side, it ties into the stock tail lights, utilizing all those bright LEDs. Gonna give you a sweet custom look and be very visible from traffic coming up from behind. Also up will be right, just like in your vehicle that you currently drive. There again, indicator light up on the dash, letting you know that the turn signals are on, integrated into that stock dash. There you see the passenger side flashing. Ties in really great with this color scheme, of course, and tied into the stock tail light. Very nice. The Ryco kit also has the 4-way hazard function. Simply pull out on this red lever. All 4 corners are going to illuminate. Good visibility all the way around. All the way clear to the side, you can see there. I'm standing about where the passenger and driver door open. And then the hazard function there on the back. To release the 4-way hazard function, simply go up or down with the lever. And you do have horn button integrated into the end of the lever. Very loud horn that comes on this model from the factory. You can still use the switch that's there stock as well for the horn. The Ryco kit also has, let me turn on the headlights. I hit the wrong switch. The Ryco kit, you see the headlights are on there now. It also ties in for the license plate light. So when you've got the headlights on, your license plate light will be illuminated, which is required by law, at least here in Utah. Check with your local state. And there you have it, the Ryco kit for the 2021 ZFORCE 800. This will work on previous models. Give us a call, 435-427-3338. Check us out on the web at bigpinesports.com. And as always, have a great night, everybody.